Mastering Kitchen English. Understanding, boil on low. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're spicing up your English vocabulary with a phrase straight from the kitchen: boil on low. Whether you're a budding chef or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. We'll simmer down the complexity and make it easy to understand. So grab your apron, and let's get cooking with language. Cooking instructions are often a great way to learn practical English, and boil on low is a phrase you might find in recipes or hear in cooking shows. It's a combination of a method, boil, which means to heat a liquid until it reaches a temperature where it begins to bubble and turn into vapor, and a setting, low, which refers to the intensity of the heat used. When a recipe instructs you to boil on low, it means you need to 1. Start with a liquid in a pot, like water, broth, or sauce. 2. Turn the heat down to a low setting after reaching the boiling point. This usually means adjusting your stove to a lower temperature where the liquid continues to bubble gently. 3. Continue cooking on this low heat, which allows the flavors to merge and the ingredients to cook thoroughly without the rush of high heat. This technique is essential for dishes that need slow cooking, like stews, soups, and broths, ensuring that they are cooked evenly and infused with flavor. Cooking on a low heat setting is crucial for several reasons. Prevents burning. High heat can burn food quickly, especially if it's meant to be cooked for a long time. Enhances flavors. Slow cooking allows flavors to develop and deepen, creating a richer taste experience. Tenderizes food. It's perfect for making tough cuts of meat more tender and enjoyable. Saves energy. Lower heat settings use less energy, which is better for the environment and your utility bills. Understanding the term, boil on low, helps in executing recipes correctly and achieving the desired culinary results. And there you have it. The phrase, boil on low, demystified for your cooking and language learning adventures. Remember, like a good stew, language learning takes time to simmer. Be patient with yourself, and enjoy the process. We hope this explanation helps you the next time you encounter this phrase in the kitchen or a cookbook. Keep learning, and stay hungry for knowledge. Until our next culinary language lesson, happy cooking, and happy learning!